Hi, this is my first hair review. So it's really hard to find curly hair. So I thought I'd do a hair review right before I take it down today. No matter what hair I'm wearing, I'm always using Easy Scratch. It's just so much simpler. I can get right to my scalp and it's really small in the scratch and it doesn't break my hair or it doesn't damage the scalp. So this is Easy Scratch. And also another pet peeve is I'm always having something done with my nails, and when I try to dig in with my nails, it takes out the part. It kind of makes it peel at the front and or messes up my nails, and it's just a major pet peeve. So of course I'm using Easy Scratch as always. This is Lola's hair, and I'm going to answer three questions in a review. Number one, the how is it still moving? It's been 2 months, guys, and it actually has still pretty good movement to it. It's not stiff. It or when exposed to elements, I'm not having huge issues with it. Number two, was it worth the money? It was $226, and I have two bundles in my hair, and I guess I would be okay with the money if I would have purchased it next time. It's not giving me many issues, and it's a pretty decent quality grade of hair, so I'm not upset about the money at all. I thought it was pretty reasonable for how it's held up. Number three, after processing. I process the hair. I dye my hair all the time. I can't stand most virgin hair comes in like natural colors, and I can't stand dark hair on me. So I usually always have it some lighter color. So I dyed it like a lighter brown. Um, the girl who colors my hair, she didn't want to go too light because it'll drop the curls a lot, which it did. These curls were much lighter initially, but I was willing to sacrifice the curls just for a lighter hair color than the natural, excuse me guys, I'm kind of sick, the natural color hair. So it's held up pretty well. Of course, lost some of the curls, but I wasn't terribly upset. It's been 2 months. It's still moving. Didn't have a lot of tangling with it. Other sometimes I didn't comb it through. Of course, it's going to be a lot of tangling there, but overall, I think it's held up pretty good. I didn't keep the package. I think they're calling it either Bohemian Curl or Bahamas Wave. It's something like that. I can't remember what they're calling. Also, they recommend you getting some kind of Dr. Miracles cream. I didn't get the cream, but I did hear that it worked every time I wanted to get the cream. They were either closed or something like that. Next time I probably will get the cream just to see if it makes a difference with maintaining the curls a little bit more. The curls will fail. It is a little oily, but still, I would have liked for it to maintain the tighter curl a little bit more. But other than that, I don't have any major complaints about the hair. If you have any questions for me, just comment below and I'll answer them. Thank you.